Chapter 11. Types of Groups and Teams. Groups and teams are formed to achieve high performance, innovation, responsiveness to customers, and employee motivation. According to your textbook, there are two types of groups. Formal groups are groups that managers establish to achieve organizational goals. They can be cross-functional, which means members from different departments, and cross-cultural, meaning members from different cultures and countries. Informal groups are groups that managers or non-managerial employees form to help achieve their own goals or meet their own needs. The top management team, according to your textbook, is a group composed of the CEO, the president, and heads of the most important departments to help the organization achieve its mission and goals. They also can develop strategies for competitive advantage. This team is cross-functional. Having the diverse group helps to protect against groupthink. CEOs look for diversity in knowledge, skills, experience, and expertise. Psychology Today says groupthink occurs when a group values harmony and coherence over accurate analysis and critical evaluation. It causes individual members of the group to unquestioningly follow the word of the leader, and it strongly discourages disagreement with the consensus. Research and development teams, according to your textbook, are popular in pharmaceuticals, computers, other electronics, and high-tech industries. Members have the expertise and experience needed to develop new products. These teams may be cross-functional, and managers will carefully select members to be part of the team. Research and development, according to Business Dictionary, is defined as a systematic activity combining both basic and applied research and aimed at discovering solutions to problems or creating new goods and knowledge. Command groups, by your textbook, is composed of subordinates who report to the same supervisor. They are also called departments or units. These groups perform a large amount of the work in an organization. Managers of this group need to be effective leaders and motivate their subordinates at high levels. Task forces, by your textbook, are groups formed to accomplish specific goals or solve problems in a certain time period. These are also called ad hoc committees. These teams help busy managers explore more issues in depth to make critical decisions. Business Dictionary describes this as a temporary group of people formed to carry out a specific mission or project, or to solve a problem that requires a multidisciplinary approach. Self-managed work teams. Your textbook describes these as teams in which members are empowered and have the responsibility and autonomy to complete identifiable pieces of work. Managers give the team overall goals, and members must decide how to meet them. These are often used to improve quality, lower costs, and increase motivation and satisfaction. A self-organized, semi-autonomous small group of employees whose members determine, plan, and manage their own day-to-day activities and duties under reduced or no supervision. There are steps a manager can take to ensure the team is effective and to help achieve organizational goals. Employees must perform their own job plus contribute to their self-managed team. The teams are effective, but there can be issues with firing team members who are not doing their part. The steps that are required for the self-managed team. Give teams enough responsibility and autonomy to be truly self-managing. Refrain from telling team members what to do or solve problems for them, even if you, as a manager, know what should be done. Make sure a team's work is sufficiently complex so it entails a number of different steps or procedures that must be performed and results in some kind of finished end product. Carefully select members of self-managed work teams. Team members should have the diversity of skills needed to complete the team's work, have the ability to work with others, and want to be part of the team. As a manager, realize that your role with the self-managed work team calls for guidance, coaching, and supporting, but not supervising. You are a resource for the team when they are needed. Analyze what type of training team members will need and provide it. Working in a self-managed work team often requires that employees have more extensive technical and interpersonal skills. Thank you for viewing my lecture, and here are my citations.